in how you do the apology is crucial. I've heard people go, oh, I'm sorry you felt. Oh, I'm sorry you feel that way. I'm sorry that, you had this happen. I'm sorry that, rubbish. They're rubbish apologies. An apology is, I'm sorry for what I did and I apologise for the impact that it had on you. I don't want it to have that impact on you. I want you to be feeling respected and loved and cared for with my behaviour, and I fully apologise for how I have impacted on you. And it can be very humbling, and there's a lot of humility, maybe humiliation. You can feel shame, you can feel embarrassment, you can feel a whole range of things, which is one of the main reasons why many of us avoid apologising, because we don't like to feel the humiliation, the shame and the embarrassment that goes with admitting that I screwed up and it had a deleterious effect on you, and I apologise and I commit to moving forward and not doing this again.